We're getting more details of the interrogation that is currently being carried out on Qasim alias Usman, who was nabbed today. Reportedly, he said that he's a part of the Lashkar military unit and that he has received military training in Muzaffarabad. He, however, hasn't named his immediate handler. They will be joining us in just a while from now, but these are the interrogation details that we've got now. This is huge because it's the military unit of the Lashkar that he is a part of. And remember, what he specifically apparently said is that it's military training that he received in Muzaffarabad, and that's the reason that he is being called the second Kasab, the second terrorist to be captured alive. Just like Kasab, he also has been imparted military training. He says that the terror training camp that he went to is in Muzaffarabad. His immediate handler hasn't been named by him just yet. Aditya Rajkaul, I believe, is with us on the phone line now. Aditya, give us more details of his antecedents. What more has Usman confessed to?
Well, that's right, Padmaja. This is clinching evidence. Yet again, he is being interrogated by the army unit and the intelligence agencies as of now. He's been shifted from Udhampur to Jammu. But the clinching evidence is the fact that he has confessed to the crime. He has said that he is from Faisalabad in Pakistan, and he has been recruited by the Lashkar-e-Toiba's military unit. He's part of the Lashkar military unit. He has received military-level training, completely nailing the fact that ISI and the Pakistani military have been aiding and guiding these terrorists from Lashkar-e-Toiba and several other agencies who have been active in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. And their task was very simple. One Amarnath Yatra, and certainly army vehicles and BSF vehicles who are frequently very flying on those national highway areas. So clearly, we are getting to know that during the NSA-level talks, India will confront Pakistan with all kinds of evidence. But the time has come. It is certainly a wake-up call for the security apparatus in the country to confront Pakistan with all kinds of clinching evidence for them.
Absolutely, Aditya. This is no ragtag bunch of non-state actors like Pakistan had been claiming all this while. They have been given military training. Were there military officers involved in imparting that training? Hopefully, we'll get to know that also very soon. Officers of the Pakistan Army or having been in the Pakistan Army in the past. Thanks very much, Aditya, for joining us. In the morning, this man held 3 civilians hostage. Ultimately, they overpowered him, and with the help of security forces, also managed to capture Qasim alive. In fact, this is what eyewitnesses told us about that entire episode.
हमने इसको पकड़ना था, किसी हालत में पकड़ना था इसको। एक आदमी एक साइड हो गए, पकड़े इसको, तो तब तक ऊपर से पुलिस आ गई। इसने देखा पुलिस आ रही है, अब ये मेरा बचना मुश्किल है। इसने हमारे पे टॉर्चर करनी शुरू कर दिया। लेकिन हिम्मत इनकी थी, इसने उनकी गर्दन दबाई और मैंने उसकी गन पकड़ी। उसने इतना बोला, गन पकड़ने पर कुछ को इसने बोला कि मेरे को छोड़ दो, मैं भाग जाता हूँ, मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा। मुक्के मारे हिंदी में मारा करा, हम मेरे को छोड़ दो, मैं भाग जाएंगे। लेकिन इसने मारा मुक्का, हमको ही मारा, इसको मारा, टक मारे हमको यहाँ पे, इनको भाई को मारे। उसके बाद मैंने इसकी गन पकड़ी, इसने पकड़ लिया। तब तक आवाजें लगाते रहे, आए भी आधे घंटे के बाद, आधे घंटे तक आए पुलिस वाले। दूर को बोलना, लोग भी पहुंचे, हम लोग इसको पकड़ लिया। उसके बाद आपने पकड़ के इसको गन पॉइंट पे वहाँ बिठा के रखा, किस तरह रखा? हाँ, गन मेरे हाथ में थी, इसने शूट किया इसने, लेकिन वो जो निकला टिकल मेरे हाथ में था, दब गया मेरे हाथ से, लगी मेरे को भी है साथ में।
जैसे बताया कि लोकल लड़कों ने पकड़ा, फिर जॉइंट ऑपरेशन हुआ सर, तो इंडियन आर्मी के साथ जेकेपी वालों ने भी और लोकल लड़कों ने सर मदद की उनको पकड़ने में। सर पकड़ा गया एक मिलियन।
कितनी हिम्मत दिखाई आप लोगों ने, कितना, क्योंकि उनके पास असला था, आपकी जान भी जा सकती।
यस सर, वो लोकल लड़के थे सर, आगे चले गए हैं, तो उन्होंने बताया जैसे कि हमने पकड़ा, उनके पास काफी हथियार थे और सर ग्रेनेड वगैरह थे।